This is John Bailey here, finishing up this installation. It's a 15-time condenser coil. I did a little extra on this unit here. It's a two-stage compressor. You see a two-stage compressor, and the A1 is for your Y1. So what I'm going to do here, instead of running a Y2 from the thermostat, I put a I put a thermostat in. This is gonna be like a remote thermostat, so I can set it to wherever I want, and it'll actually come on according to the outside temperature. So when it reaches like 80 degrees outside, that means that this thermostat is going to close, and it'll bring on the secondary compressor whenever need be. And also I got just the Y and common coming in from the furnaces. It's a twin furnace. It's 3 furnaces in there, twin together, and you just got a Y and your common coming out right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and hook the Y and common to the contactor, and I'm going to come off of the contactor, and I'm going to jump it over to the red over on the terminal block. Then I'm gonna have the red hooked up down here, and so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna run a Y. I'm gonna run a circuit from my Y up to here. So what happens is the contactor kicks in when the furnace, the Y calls for cooling. This contactor is gonna pull in, and it's gonna energize the Y, bring on the first compressor and the fan. And so, like I said, when the temperature outside gets above, I'm gonna probably set it at 75, I don't know, but when it gets above the whatever temperature I have this set for, I'm gonna have the Y actually jumping to here, and I'm gonna have the Y jumping here. Then I'm gonna have this terminal here going to my Y2. So that'll bring on the secondary compressor when the temperature reaches above 75 or 80. Depends on how I set it. And then you got your relay here, and that relay is going to be for the solenoid. So I got the solenoid down here, and so you got the cycle lamps and everything, but it'll bring on a solenoid whenever it calls for cooling, because this here is energized. And you got the 2 terminals down here, so it's going to energize the A1 and then your common. So, but stay tuned. I'm going to go ahead and fire this puppy up shortly.